Welcome everyone. We are discussing shortcut trick of problems of straight lines. So, shortcut trick 3. If x1 y1 and x2 y2 are vertices of equilateral triangle, then third vertex will be x1 plus x2 plus minus root 3 into y1 minus y2 by 2, and y1 plus y2, this is minus plus root 3 into x1 minus x2 by 2. So symmetric, only it is minus plus. So look, third vertex is irrational number. You know, there is also a theorem. All the vertices of an equilateral triangle cannot be rational. There is an important theorem. So this is also problem of IIT, that all the vertices of equilateral triangle cannot be rational. You get at least one vertex which will be irrational, that is with respect to root over sign. So you have already proved it. Try to recall. So what is area of triangle? Half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 x3 into y1 minus y2 equals to root 3 by 4 area a square. Root 3 by 4 into side square into side square. Now, if we take xi, yi are rational, xi, y are rational, then left hand side is a rational number, because sum difference product of rational number, ratio of rational number is rational. So left hand side is rational. Now side square. So if it is within root over, then side square. So this is rational. But root 3 is irrational number. So left hand side is rational, while right hand side is irrational number. But this is not possible. So therefore our assumption that xi, yi are rational, so this one is wrong. So all the vertices of equilateral triangle are not rational. Now look, x1, y1 and x2, y2 are vertices of equilateral triangle, then third vertex will be this. So look, this is root 3. So third vertex is irrational. So how to find third vertex? So this is our problem. So this is our formula. X coordinate is x1 plus x2 plus minus root 3 into y1 minus y2 by 2. And y coordinate is this. So problem number 1. The points 4 minus 4 and minus 4, 4 and xy are vertices of equilateral triangle. Then what is x? So suppose x is xy is third vertex. So what is formula? X equals to half of x1 plus x2 plus minus root 3 into y1 minus y2. Now half of 4 minus 4 plus minus root 3 into y1 minus y2. So minus 4 minus 4. So this is 0. So we are getting, this is minus, this is plus. So minus plus 4 root 3. Because this is 8 by 2, 4 root 3. Now, what is y? Y equals to half of y1 plus y2 minus plus root 3 into x1 minus x2. So half of y1 plus y2. So this is minus 4 plus 4 minus plus root 3 into 4 plus 4. So this one is 0. So this is 8. So 8. So minus plus 4 root 3. So x equals to 4 root 3, y equals to 4 root 3. X equals to minus 4 root 3, y equals to minus 4 root 3. So we are getting this relation. Now verify with this answer. So x and y have same sign. So x negative, y positive, not possible. X positive, y negative, not possible. X, y, both positive. So C is possible answer. X and y both are positive. Both are negative also. This is also valid answer, but here only option C is correct answer. So look, two vertices are given. So if you use ordinary method, then third vertex is xy, then considering three sides equal, you have to find third vertex. But if you recall this formula, it will be solved within 1 minute. So you have to recall the formula. So very simple, sum of abscissa plus minus y1 minus y2. And here role of x and y will be changed. But remember, this is plus minus, this is minus plus. So next one. Now consider next application of this theory. So two vertices of an equilateral triangle are minus a0 and ba0, a greater than 0. Third vertex lies above x-axis. Above x-axis. Then equation of circumcircle of the triangle ABC is 4 alternatives are given. So two vertices are given, you have to find third vertices. So what is third vertices? So x equals to, formula is x1 plus x2 plus minus root 3 into y1 minus y2 by 2. So half of, so a, this is minus a plus minus root 3 into 0 minus 0. So we are getting answer as y1, y2. So this is 0. So x1 plus x2 minus plus this. So x1 plus x2 is 0 and root 3 y1, y2 are both 0. So x equals to 0. So this is third vertex. And y equals to half of y1 plus y2 minus plus root 3 into x1 minus x2. So half of 0 plus 0 minus plus root 3 into, this is minus a, minus a. So minus a plus, 2 cancel, 2 cancel. So root 3a. So minus a plus, so plus minus. So we are getting coordinate as 0 root 3a, third vertex, or 0 minus root 3a. Now a is positive, third vertex above x-axis. So we have to take this one as third vertex. So this is problem of JEE main. Now we are getting third vertices. So we know three vertices, so we can find equation of circumcircle. But since here equations are given, so circumcircle, circle passing through three vertices, circumcircle. That is three vertices satisfies equation of circle. So if you know three vertices, you can find equation of circle by general method. But since it is MCQ type problem, so answer is given. So you can verify the answer. Put the value of third vertex, that is 0 root 3a. So if we put x equals to 0, then this is 0. So 3y square. So 3 into 3a square. This is 9a square minus 2 root 3 a into root 3a. So we are getting 9a square minus 6a square. So this is 3a square. Right hand side also 3a square. So it satisfies the option number A. So this will be equation of circumcircle. So two vertices are given. You can find third vertex by this very formula. Since it lies above, so above x-axis, so third vertex will be 0, root 3a. Now you have to find equation of circumcircle. Since options are given, so circumcircle, so this passes through three vertices. So you verify this point for equations of circumcircle, and it is satisfied by A. Therefore, option A is correct answer. So, if two vertices are given, you can find the third vertex of equilateral triangle. Next trick. Now, trick 4. Foot of perpendicular and image. Foot of perpendicular and image of a point x1, y1 with respect to line ax plus by plus c equals to 0. I have already discussed how to find foot of perpendicular. AB is given. So you can find equation of PM. It is perpendicular to AB and passing through x1, y1. So solving you get foot of perpendicular. An image, if M is foot of perpendicular, so AB acts as a mirror, then M is midpoint. So Q will be, Q is the image. PM equals to MQ. Image of P is Q. So I have already discussed it. Now I will solve it by using shortcut trick. Now x1, y1 is a point and this is a line. So if M is given the foot of perpendicular, so foot of perpendicular will be obtained by solving this equation. A is minus x1 by A, k minus y1 by b minus ax1 by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So each k is foot of perpendicular. And look, this is twice. So alpha beta is image, then it is alpha minus x1 by a, h is replaced by alpha, beta minus y1 by b, k is replaced by beta, and this will be minus 2 because it is double of pm. So this is our working tool. So application. Now application. The foot of perpendicular from 3, 8 with respect to x plus 3y minus 7 equals to 0 each. These are the 4 options. This is WBJE. Problem of WBJE, 2 marks. So, to solve problem of West Bengal joint, you have to solve it by taking minimum time. So, what is our shortcut formula? So, x1 is 3, y1 is 8. So, you have to find foot of perpendicular. So, h minus 3, k minus 8. So, what is a? A is, look at the equation, a is 1, so 1, b is 3, then minus bracket 1 into x1 is 3 plus 3 into 8, 3 into 8, b y1, c is minus 7 by a square plus b square. So, what is a? 1 square and this is 3 square. So, 24 plus 3, 27 minus 7. So, 20 by 10. So, this is minus 2. This is minus 2. So, this implies h minus 3 equals to minus 2. So, h equals to 1. K minus 8 equals to minus 6. K equals to 2. So, hk is 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 is foot of perpendicular. So, let us verify option number A. So, if you know shortcut formula, it will take minimum time. So, how to find foot of perpendicular? Similarly, image is same, only it will be minus 1 is replaced by minus 2. So, take an application. Now, application for image. So, the image of 4 minus 13 with respect to 5x plus y plus 6 equals to 0 is, which option is correct? So, look at the formula. So, h is replaced by alpha. So, alpha minus 4, this is beta plus 13 by a. What is a? A is 5, b is 1. So, this will be minus 2, remember it. A square plus b square, 5 square plus 1 square. So, 5 into 4, 1 into minus 13 plus 6. So, 20 and this is 26. 26 minus 13. So, this is 13 into minus 2 at the beginning, and 25 plus 1, this is 26. So, we are getting alpha by 4 by 5, beta plus 13 by 1 equals to, this is minus 1. So, this implies alpha minus 4 equals to minus 5. So, alpha equals to minus 1. Beta plus 13 equals to minus 1. So, beta equals to minus 5. So, answer is minus 1 comma minus 1. So, look at the option. Option A is correct option. So, you remember the formula and apply it to the given problem. So, it will take minimum time. So, today I have discussed 2 shortcut tricks. So, how to find third vertex of equilateral triangle and how to find foot of perpendicular an image of a point with respect to a line. So, if you enjoy the video, you please share and subscribe of my channel Mathematics Demystified. Thank you for today.